Dr. Jen with White Wave Bodywork, and in this video what I want to talk about is transitioning from lying down to standing up or lying down to seated, especially when getting up out of bed. What I noticed during pregnancy is a lot of times people are unaware of how to transition during those time frames to not strain the abdominal muscles. So it's something we can kind of do as a preventative measure to try and make sure we're not putting too much pressure on our rectus abdominis during pregnancy that might contribute to more of a separation of the muscles in the abdomen, or just strain our muscles in the abdomen that could create some tension or soreness in the lower abs. So what I want to talk about is avoiding this to sit up kind of thing. So I'm going to demonstrate once what that looks like so you know. If you were in earlier pregnancy than I am, maybe like second trimester, and you were still wanting to lay on your back, so you had ended up there, a lot of times I'll see that people will try to get up from this lying down position like straight forward. Now at this point in pregnancy I can't even do that anymore. It's just not a realistic thing. My abs are not strong enough. And a lot of times I feel like we just have these habits where we want to continue doing the things that we've been doing the way that we've been doing them, and that's not really maybe the safest choice or the most realistic choice for where we're at during pregnancy. So a lot of times what I'll see is that people try to get up like this, trying to sit up and push themselves upright from a lying down position. It takes a lot of ab strength, it strains the abs, so we're going to try, and anytime that you're lying down or even reclining like on the couch, just sitting back, you can turn over to your side. In PT we call that a log roll, and then push up from a side lying position from there. So anytime you're in bed and you're trying to get out of bed, instead of hooking up, what I want you to try to do is roll onto the side first and then push yourself up from there. Now say you were sitting on the couch and you wanted to apply that same concept. In this couch I could be reclining all the way back and just leaning back kind of in a slumped position. Instead of trying to use my arms and sit forward, what I can do is turn to the side and push myself up. Anything that can try and avoid straining these abs, which is that crunch or that sit up kind of action, anything that takes the rib cage toward the pelvis during this time when we're so overextended here, is going to be a great preventative measure for not overstraining the abdomen. So that's my 2 cents on transitions between lying down to sitting or lying down to standing up. Try to apply that log roll concept and see if it's a little more comfortable for yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something great.